What is the source of income? What are you finding? Where from is the money coming? The allegation is a scam which took place in the education. Jobs were sold. Did you find out that the jobs were actually sold or not?
10 crore properties are still we have found out. Whatever, my lord will kindly see our rates wherever we have conducted. And whatever documents and whatever is, we have substantiated it with such facts that it has not been, none of the accused have got bail. My lord, I am not boasting, my lord, but we have
Yes.
one. Secondly, my lord, whatever we attach, they get all the right, they have all the rights under the sun to go before the adjudicator authority, show it before that it is being adjudicated, and all the properties which have been attached, none of them have been released. And it has been said that it has all proper attachment with proper information and substance.
What is the source of income? What are you finding? Where from is the money coming? The allegation is a scam which took place in the education. Jobs were sold. Did you find out that the jobs were actually sold or not?
Jobs were sold or not, that is, my lord, with the CBI's inquiry, they are the predicate offences they are inquiring. And the honorable.
What is the, according to PMLA, the source of income is required to be seen. Please show me what is
the proceeds of crime. Proceeds of crime which have been generated, we are on that. And wherever the properties are there, which are used in money laundering and proceeds of crime are generated, we have already attached those properties with it. And we have filed a prosecution complaint regarding that. If my lord so deems written proper for me to amplify on all these things, my lord, I shall come back. But my lord, then in that case, my lord, it should be held in camera, my lord, and there should be, because then
thing is
be compromised.
Nothing is being compromised. Are you all taking steps to find out the source?
We are, my lord.
Well, I do not see anything from your report.
Prosecution complaints are being filed. If there was nothing in prosecution complaints, my lord, they would not have been behind the bar. One. Secondly, the properties which have been attached would have been released. And every day we are making progress, my lord, on in the, my lord will kindly see, we have made these attachments as, my lord, in this month only. So, my lord, and my lord, 10 crore properties are still we have found out. And we are going to use, my lord, issue identified. And
I am sure you are aware of the earlier reports that have been filed where the valuation of the properties are mentioned.
Valuation of properties are mentioned, my lord, because, my lord, there is a valuation of property which we understand, and what we could lay our hands and what we could come to a conclusion. And each and every day we are proceeding with it, and whatever, and there has been substantial progress which my lord can see from the report. In 1 month's time, if my lord kindly comes, you know, the deepest of respect, my lord, if my lord kindly sees, again, I'm at the cost of repetition, my lord, I am saying, my lord, at page 2, my lord, we have said in 11, 4/4/24, we had made, then on another search was made on 8/3/2024 and 22/3/2024. So as late as 4/4/2024, we have made a search and we have comprehensive attachment has been issued and the adjudication is pending before the adjudicating authority. 10 crores we have again laid hand. And total, my lord, what has been confiscated till now with authenticity, which with no loopholes, is 134.96 crores. And they are all substantiated under the PMLA Act, whatever. And we vouch for our investigation that because there is no loophole, we are continuing with this investigation, Lord, on and from 2023. Lordship has been incessant of the matter. And every day we are making progress. And my lord, less said the better, my lord, that every day stumbling blocks are coming. That my lord knows. In fact, my lord, I made one such submission where a question was put to me in another set of matters by the Honorable Chief Justice, my lord, that why there is a retarded progress. My lord, we said, my lord, even my lord, what report came, which my lord, what had fallen from my lord of Mr. Cbijudgement. For that, my lord knows this, how my lord passed an order, how it was challenged, and my lord, how we had to do it, my lord.
No, but then you have to do it
And
because you are the only authority who can do it.
I am not championing for the cause of my but I'm just trying to say that we are doing and we are coming out with because doing something in a slipshod manner and not fortifying it to stand the test of the adjudicating authorities, and after that this honorable court and the honorable Supreme Court. If it is not taken care of, then the whole exercise will become futile, and that nitty-gritties to be worked out takes time, will folded hands and submitting it. Our officers, are working day and night at it, and unearthing it is an issue, but we are against against all adverse circumstances. Every day we are negotiating with the novice. So my lord will kindly give us what has fallen from my court.
The table 1, page 3.
Yes.
This should be a longer table.
Whatever.
Table 1 is very unsatisfactory because you have the earlier reports. Just tally with it.
I, as my lord, these things, I will come with all the details, and we will make submissions if it is held in camera. We don't want to make it public, so that Lord will not take it, because whatever report is before my lord, even
the report is here. The report is not going out.
I am not saying that.
Yes, yes.
What I am saying is, when I try to amplify on it by way of my argument.
Not arguments. I want records. Not arguments. Arguments everybody will able to see. No use. You show me that you have worked. I need records to see that yes, you all are working. Otherwise, the court is not very satisfied. Table 1 is very small. It ought to have been a bigger table because you already have the records with you. Even then, I do not know why the table is so small.
I shall come fortified with all the answers.
Yes.
One thing, my lord. Now, this issue, my lord, your lordship knows a matter is pending before the coordinate bench. There, my lord, the judge, my lord, the honorable judge directed CBI to file a report.
Coordinate bench?
Yes.
Primary?
Mantha, my lord.
Original OMR sheet matter, my
My
lord.
lord, there, my
Alright.
lord, what happened? CBI. No,
It is primary. It is primary.
After 2014,
No, no.
whatever properties are there in the
Hmm.
name of they have all been
All been seized. It's not reflected.
after 2014. These were what I understand.
Are they reflected? It doesn't appear to be. No. There are other properties also.
Well, let me come back, Millard.
Yes, please.
Well, let me come back. I
Yes,
want to
yes.
my lord,
submission of the
what I was submitting, my lord, in that report, CBI has stated that so far from their investigation, they have found out that 3 crore something has been taken from 70 odd candidates for getting appointment, my lord. Whether, my lord, ED is in collaboration with CBI also includes these things or not, because the money is generated from the persons who have been illegally appointed. CBI has stated that from them so far 3 crores rupees has been taken by Kuntal and others, my
But
lord.
then CBI must be there in that matter also.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
The
That matter
officers
CBI
are
is
the
there.
same.
Required, my lord, both of them should, my lord, collaborate and filed also a joint report before your lordship, the what has CBI seized, what ED has seized. Otherwise, ED is going in their own way and the CBI is going on their own way. And your lordship's last order, if your lordship kindly sees the last page of your lordship's order. Last order, my lord. Second last paragraph. This should be done, my lord, in letter and spirit. Second last paragraph.
They should act in tandem. Certainly they will act in tandem. Now it is under the wings of Mr. Trivedi. He is there. He'll do it.
And my lord, another thing is that, my lord, on 21st September 2023, my lords have specific order upon the state, my lord, in page number 4, 21st September order, my lord. So they say report দিতে বলেছিল। আমি পড়ে দিই।
Cyber crime.
Cyber, The learned advocate appearing for the state respondent is directed to prepare a report with regard to the steps taken to inquire into the complaint lodged by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education relating to cyber hacking of the merit list, which was prepared in respect of the recruitment process of the year 2020, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, that report is not yet, because the whole thing is that, my lord, because they build up a concocted story, my lord, that due to cyber crime, my lord, they not uploaded it, and thereafter they just remove it, my lord. So they says that they made a complaint. What is the consequence of that complaint, my
Read out
lord?
the
So state
complaint.
ought to file a report, my lord. My lord, have specific direction, give specific direction. Already, my lord, 5 months elapsed, my lord, but state report is not came in. 21st September.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay. But from September till
September.
April, you did not find.
So that's the whole story. Yes.
Who is not giving you the report?
Yes. Yes.
Then
Whole
it will be of the cybercrime department.
not
Vidhannagar Police Commissionerate, it has to be.
Vidhannagar Police Commissionerate will forward you the report. Then why is it not coming? Because a lot of issue
is roaming around there.
revolves around that complaint also. It will be. Not hopefully, because this report will be required. The report filed by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, filed in sealed cover, is taken on record. Stop. The report of the Enforcement Directorate has been perused, but the report filed by the CBI is yet to be perused by the court. Stop. Next. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the CBI and the ED that both the departments are working in tandem and taking steps to proceed with the investigation and conclude the same. Stop. Paragraph. The matter is made returnable on 12th of June 2024. Stop. Next. Further reports shall be filed by the two departments on the adjourned date.